If someone told you they're making $500 a day with AI, would you believe them? At first, it sounds like one of those overhyped internet scams, right? But the truth is, AI tools are opening doors for regular people to make real money in creative ways. It's not about overnight success or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about using these tools to make simple, marketable products that people already want. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 different ways to do this so you can start seeing how realistic these ideas actually are. Stick around because I've saved the most unique idea for last, and it's one most people haven't even thought about yet. I've also put all the tools that I'm going to talk about in the description, so be sure to click those to sign up for free accounts and get the best deals. Method 1. Let's start with creating and selling dot-to-dot books. Remember these? They're those activity books where you connect numbered dots to reveal a picture. You might think they're just for kids, but they've got a surprising fan base. Parents love buying them for their kids, but even adults enjoy them as a relaxing activity. Now, here's the great part. You don't need to be an artist to create one. AI can handle most of the work. You can use a tool like Canva to create the images. Open up an A5 doc, click on Elements, and then under AI Image Generator, click on Generate Your Own. If you want to create a book with an animal theme, you could type something like simple black and white 2D line drawing of a cartoon penguin. Select the concept art style, and then click on Generate. Drag and drop the image onto your design, and then add a series of small circles outlining the shape of the design. Once you've made the outline, delete the image underneath it. Do this for multiple designs on separate pages. Create a colorful cover for the book as a separate page and bring it to the front. When your book is done, save it as a PDF and upload it to Amazon KDP. Amazon takes care of printing and shipping the book whenever someone orders it. You just collect royalties. It's a low-cost way to start a business, and some people are earning hundreds of dollars a month from their books. Method 2. Next up is podcasts. Podcasts are huge right now, and they're not just limited to big-name creators. With AI, you don't even need to record your own voice or script every word yourself. Let me explain how this works. Google has a tool called Notebook LM that can take any written text you upload, like notes, articles, or even an outline you've written, and turn it into a natural-sounding conversation. For example, let's say you're interested in personal finance. You can look up personal finance on YouTube and then pick a popular, informative video. Copy the URL link. Then go to Notebook LM and paste the YouTube video URL here to add a source. Then click Generate under Deep Dive Conversation. Give the AI a few minutes and it will generate a realistic-sounding podcast episode that you can download. Once your episodes are ready, upload them to YouTube or a podcast platform. YouTube's partner program lets you earn ad revenue once you build an audience, and podcast platforms can bring in sponsorships over time. The key is picking a niche you're passionate about and staying consistent. Method 3. Now let's talk about creating and selling candle labels. Candles are one of those evergreen products that people buy for gifts, decor, or just to make their homes smell nice. What makes this idea interesting is how you can use AI to stand out in the crowded candle market. One way to do this is by creating unique, funny, or relatable labels. For example, you can use ChatGPT to come up with unique label quotes. You can give ChatGPT a prompt like, "Give me 10 funny, interesting labels for candles." Then, go to Canva and search for candle label templates. Pick one, open it up, and then copy and paste one of the quotes that ChatGPT generated. You can easily tweak the designs on Canva and create multiple candle labels. Then, you can set up an Etsy shop to list your candle labels and connect your shop to a print-on-demand service like Printify, which offers customizable candles. Here's how it works. When someone orders a candle from your Etsy shop, Printify handles the production and shipping. This means you don't need to invest in inventory or worry about packaging. You keep the profit, and they handle the hard part. With some creative marketing, you could turn this into a reliable source of income. Method 4. Now, here's something a little more out of the box. AI influencers. These are virtual characters created entirely with AI, and they're becoming popular on platforms like Instagram. You might be wondering, why would anyone follow an AI influencer? The answer is creativity. These virtual influencers usually have eye-catching designs, unique personalities, and curated content that appeals to niche audiences. To create one, you can use an AI image generator like Focus to design realistic-looking characters. If you want to make sure your influencer's face stays consistent across posts, you can use tools like Roop, which lets you deepfake the same face onto different videos or photos. From there, you can script posts, create captions, and even use AI voice tools for video content. Virtual influencers can earn money through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and even memberships where fans pay for exclusive content. While this idea might not be for everyone, it shows just how creative you can get with AI. Method 5. If you're more into puzzles, creating word search books is another great option. These books sell surprisingly well on Amazon, especially when you target specific niches. For example, you could create a word search book for dog lovers, teachers, or even sci-fi fans. To get started, use ChatGPT to generate word lists based on your chosen theme. Then, use an AI tool like Oh My Dots to generate your word search puzzle. All you have to do is paste in your ChatGPT generated words in this box down here, adjust the settings, and you'll have your word search puzzle ready to download. Make several of these and then use Canva to put all of them together into one book with an attractive cover. Once your book is complete, upload it to Amazon KDP, and you're ready to start earning passive income. Method 6. T-shirts are another classic way to make money online, and AI can help you create designs that really stand out. Start by using ChatGPT to come up with slogans or phrases. For example, if you're targeting coffee lovers, you could give ChatGPT a prompt like this. Then, use an AI art generator like Leonardo AI to create unique images. Next, head over to Canva, then combine the phrase with your image. Once your design is ready, you can upload it to a print-on-demand service like TeePublic. They'll handle production and shipping, so you can focus on creating new designs and marketing your store. Method 7. Lastly, let's talk about hidden picture books. These are a bit like Where's Waldo, but with a twist. They're fun, engaging, and not as common as other activity books, which means there's less competition. To create one, start by using an AI image generation tool like Leonardo AI to create photos of different scenes, like somebody gardening with different animals and objects in the garden. Then, turn the image into a black and white line, drawing using an AI tool like Photor. If there aren't already small hidden objects in the picture, you can use an editor like Photopea to add hidden objects into the scenes. Canva can help you organize everything into a clean layout and design an eye-catching cover. You can upload this as a digital product on Etsy, where customers can print it themselves at home. Or you can upload it to Amazon KDP and start selling. Because these books are so unique, they have the potential to really stand out in the marketplace. None of these ideas require a huge upfront investment, and most of them can be done with free or low-cost tools. The real secret is picking one idea, committing to it, and giving yourself time to learn the process. Which of these methods have you tried or are you thinking of trying? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.